Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding. So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Our lesson is about introduction to tangents, secants, sector, and segment of a circle. What could be our objectives? First, we will identify. Second, we will name the tangent, secant, sector, segment of a circle. What is a tangent line? It is a line which intersects the circle only at one point. It came from the Latin word tangere, which means to touch. As you can see in the figure, line FE and line AB are tangent to circle C because the line touches the circle only at one point. So what is point of tangency? The point of intersection of the line and the circle. So the tangent line, this tangent line, line AE, is perpendicular to the radius segment DC. It forms 90 degrees. So that is angle ADC that is equal to 90 degrees. Also, angle CDE is also forms 90 degrees. So segment AE is perpendicular to segment DC at point D. So what could be the concept of tangent? The tangent line is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. So segment SG is perpendicular to segment GE. And then segment SM is perpendicular to segment ME. It forms 90 degrees for the angle EGS, so that is equal to 90 degrees. And also angle EMS is also equal to 90 degrees. Segment SG is congruent to segment SM. So it means if the measure of the segment SG is 7, also the segment SM is also equal to 7. Another, segment GE is congruent to segment ME. If the value of segment GE is equal to 11, so it means also the value of segment ME is also equal to 11. So let us find the value of x. The measure of the angle GSM is equal to 120 degrees. So it means we need to add all the angle, and this is equal to 360 degrees because this is a quadrilateral. So the measure of the angle GSM plus the measure of the angle SME plus the measure of the angle EGS plus the measure of the angle GEM. So it means lahat ng angle. So that is equal to 360 degrees. The measure of the angle GSM is equal to 120 degrees. While the measure of this one, so this is tangent line, perpendicular to the radius, so that is equivalent of 90 degrees because it forms 90 degrees. So the measure of the angle SME and the measure of the angle EGS is equal to 90 degrees. And then the measure of the angle GEM is equal to x degree. So the total is equal to 360 degrees because that is a quadrilateral. So let us add 120 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, that is equal to 300 degrees. Copy x degrees and copy 360 degrees. So let us solve for the x degrees. So bring down x degrees, bring down 360 degrees, positive 300, going to right, combine like terms. So 360 degrees minus 300 degrees, the answer is equal to 60 degrees. X degrees is equal to 60 degrees. But then, we need to identify the value of x. So we need to divide all by 1 degree. So x is equal to 60. What is common tangent? A line that is tangent to two circles in the same plane. So this one is a tangent line, so line C, and then line D is a tangent line. In a circle A, so this is circle A, and a circle B, that is two circles in the same plane. That is line C and line D, that is passes through the circle A and circle B. So common internal tangent, it is intersect the segment joining the center of the circle. So this is circle A and circle B. This is the segment joining the two circles. So intersect. So line C intersect joining the center of the two circles. Next is the common external tangent. So do not intersect the segment joining the center of the two circles. So it means this is circle A and circle B. So this is the segment. So line C does not intersect joining the center of two circles. So let us identify the value of x. So this is an example of the common external tangent. So in the circle G, the radius segment GM is equal to 25. And then segment GF is also equal to 25. In another circle, in the circle E, the radius segment ES is equal to 9. So also segment FE is also equal to 9. But then let us try to solve for x. So how to identify or the value of x? If GM is equal to 25 and segment ES is equal to 9. So let us solve this one. So yung kabuuan nito, that is equal to 25. But then, etong nasa ilalim, it is also equal to 9. So kung ito 9, ilan ito? Okay, 25 minus 9, so that is equal to 16. So this one is 16, at ito naman is equal to 9. Yung kabuuan ng segment GE, so 25 plus 9, the answer is equal to 34. And then, we can now identify the value of x using the Pythagorean theorem. C squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. C squared is the hypotenuse, yung pinakamahabang legs. And then, A and B is the shorter leg. So, pwedeng magkabaliktad yung dalawang yan. So, C squared is equal to 34 squared equals the value of A, pwedeng 16, pwedeng x. So, try natin yung value ni A, that is equal to x squared, while the B is equal to 16 squared. So, let us solve for x. 34 times 34 is equal to 1,156, copy x squared. 16 times 16 is equal to 256. So, let us solve for x squared. 1,156 copy x squared, positive 256 going to left, change the sign, negative 256. 1,156 minus 256 is equal to 900, copy x squared. To solve for x, square root property, or write the square root on both sides. So, square root of 900 is equal to square root of x squared. And the square root of 900 is equal to 30. So, 30 is equal to x. So what is a second line? A second line is a line that passes through the circle of two distinct points. So as you can see, the difference, a tangent line, only 1 point. But this time, a second line, that is 2 points. It is came from the Latin word secare, which means to cut. So in the figure, line AB passes through the circle at two distinct points. How about sector? What is a sector? A region bounded by two radii. So the radii, so that is segment BA and segment BC. An arc lying between the radii. So this is arc AC. So region bounded by angle ABC. So there are two special types of sector. First is a semicircle region. So sector bounded by the diameter. So that is angle ABC. So second is a quadrant. Sector bounded by a quarter region of a circle. So this is angle DEC. How about the segment? A segment is a region bounded by a chord and arc lying between the endpoints of the chord. So this one, that is segment AB, that is a chord, and arc lying. So this is arc AB. Bounded, region bounded by a chord and an arc. So that is region bounded. Ito yon yung may kulay. So that is segment AB. So let us apply. Provide the following parts of the circle. So let us identify which among this figure is a tangent line. Nasaan kaya dyan yung tangent line? A tangent line have one point of intersection. Ito yun. So it means that is line AC. How about the second line? It touches the circle at exactly 2 points. So this is the second line. So that is line BD. So let us identify the sector. So the sector, yun yung may region bounded. So that is angle EGF. While the segment, so the segment is segment FE. So ito yung may kulay, meron daw chord, and then arc. So let us apply what you have learned about the tangent, secant, sector, and segments. Instruction given the circle G, identify the unknown. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.